Hey, this is PJ with CLKsupplies, and this is the HPC EZ-6 Interchangeable Key Extractor set. So this set is nice. It has a nice long metal handle here to hold on to compared to a classic key extractor, which either has like a little tiny metal handle or a plastic handle. This is really helpful just to help you extract the keys. It's also pretty cool to have as well. This is nice to keep in your toolbox or in your pick set and not worry about getting poked all the time, or like if you were like me, when you're working on a lock or on a job, you would stick a few key extractors in your pocket and then you would forget about them until you went to sit down in the van. So this will definitely help you not hurt yourself. Let me open it up here and I'll show you which key extractors it comes with. It comes with 4. It comes with the sawtooth blade here, and it comes with 3 spiral extractors. 2 of them are a little thicker, and then it has 1 thinner one. And so obviously when you're using one blade and you're not using the other ones, you definitely want to keep these put back in the holder here, which is in the main body. These key extractors are also available for purchase separately from just this main body here, so if you ever lose them or damage them, you can buy replacements. So we'll put the cap back on here, and then on the front end is what you do is you just want to loosen this up. Go ahead and stick it in there, tighten it down, and there you go. So not only is it nice and helpful and handy to have and help you extract the keys, if you've ever wanted to feel like a doctor or a surgeon, it will definitely scratch that itch for you too. So thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.